When can an executor be removed? Have you ever wondered what it takes to remove an executor from their duties? This is an important topic in estate planning and the probate process. Executors play a vital role in managing and distributing a deceased person's estate according to the will and the law. However, there are specific circumstances under which an executor can be removed. Let's break it down. First, one common reason for removal is failure to perform their duties. Executors have legal responsibilities, like filing an inventory of estate assets within a few months of their appointment. If they consistently fail to meet these deadlines, removal may be justified. Another reason is mismanagement of estate assets. Executors must handle the estate property wisely and protect its value. If there is evidence of severe mismanagement, such as excessive spending or neglecting to pay estate debts, this can lead to their removal. Conflict of interest is also a significant concern. Executors must act impartially and in the best interests of all beneficiaries. If they use their position for personal gain or show favoritism, beneficiaries may petition for their removal. Courts requiring strong evidence to support such claims. Misconduct or breach of fiduciary duty can lead to immediate removal. This includes actions like theft, fraud, or misappropriation of estate funds. Clear proof, such as unauthorized withdrawals, can result in a swift decision by the court. Incapacity is another valid reason for removal. If an executor becomes mentally or physically unable to perform their duties, the court may step in to replace them. Charging excessive fees or expenses can also be grounds for removal. Executors are entitled to reasonable compensation, but if they charge too much or incur unnecessary expenses, this can raise red flags. So, how does the removal process work? An interested party, usually a beneficiary, must file a petition with the probate court. This petition needs to clearly state the grounds for removal and provide supporting evidence. The court may allow discovery, which includes depositions and examination of financial records, to investigate the executor's conduct. If the court finds sufficient cause, it can remove the executor and appoint a successor. This successor may be an alternate executor named in the will or another qualified individual. It is worth noting that courts tend to be cautious in removing executors, especially if they are family members or friends. They often give these individuals additional time to fulfill their duties. Removal proceedings can be costly and time-consuming, potentially delaying estate administration. Beneficiaries should consider consulting an estate litigation attorney to assess the strength of their case. Executors should keep transparent records and communicate regularly with beneficiaries to avoid disputes that could lead to removal petitions. In summary, an executor can be removed for failing to perform their duties, mismanaging estate assets, engaging in misconduct, having conflicts of interest, becoming incapacitated, or charging unreasonable fees. The removal process involves a court petition supported by clear evidence, ensuring the estate and beneficiaries are protected while respecting the wishes of the deceased.